You searched how to buy shares of Metavisio SA. Metavisio is a technology company listed on Euronext under the ticker ALTHO.PA. This video is educational and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker Elevate to find Metavisio. Select the matching Euronext listing to open the correct share page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's the right listing. Check the company description and exchange to make sure you have ALTHO.PA. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the market opens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before it completes the trade. After the purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the link to eToro in the video description if you want to follow the same platform steps.